It starts with an egg, not your typical breakfast egg. This one's floating in a dirty puddle behind someone's backyard. Warm, still water, the perfect baby crib for nature's most annoying creature. And then it hatches. A tiny, wriggling mosquito larva is born. No wings yet, no bloodlust, just a little wormy thing, swimming around and eating whatever's in the water. Fast forward a few days. Puberty hits. The larva turns into a pupa, and then boom, she emerges as a full-grown adult mosquito. Now, if it's a male, no worries. He's chill, sips flower nectar, stays out of drama. But if it's a female, that's when the horror movie starts. She needs blood. Not because she's evil, but because blood gives her the protein to make eggs. So what does she do? She locks onto her target using heat sensors, sweat detectors, and the carbon dioxide from your breath. You just exhaled? She felt that from 30 feet away, wearing black clothes, just had a beer. Congratulations, you're now the dinner special. And here's where it gets worse. That little bite on your arm, it's not just itchy, it could be deadly. Because mosquitoes carry some of the worst diseases known to humans. Malaria, dengue, Zika, West Nile virus, yellow fever. Each year, over 1 million people die from mosquito-borne illnesses. Yup, they are officially the deadliest animals on Earth. Not sharks, not snakes, not humans, not even your ex. Just one tiny mosquito. Now you might be thinking, can't we just get rid of them? Well, scientists are trying. There's genetic engineering, sterile mosquito programs, all sorts of crazy science. But there's a catch. Mosquitoes are also food. Birds, bats, frogs, they all rely on them. Remove mosquitoes and the ecosystem might just collapse like a cheap lawn chair. So what can you do? Easy. Don't leave standing water around your house. Use mosquito repellent. And maybe wear something other than black to the BBQ. Because behind every puddle is a mosquito egg plotting your downfall.